Ever wonder why senior developers cringe when they see a page made entirely of divs? It's not just about clean code. Semantic HTML is actually a superpower for accessibility, SEO, and maintainability. First, accessibility. Screen readers rely on semantic elements to navigate pages. When you use a nav element, assistive technologies instantly know it's a navigation region. They can jump between sections like header, main, and footer. With just divs, screen readers see a flat list of generic containers. Users with disabilities lose the ability to understand your page structure at a glance. Second, SEO. Search engines like Google parse semantic HTML to understand content hierarchy. An article tag signals a self-contained piece of content. A header tag indicates introductory material. Divs provide zero context. Semantic markup helps search engines index your content correctly, which can improve rankings. Let's look at the key elements. Header for page or section intros, nav for navigation links, main for primary content, article for standalone content, section for thematic grouping, aside for sidebars or tangential info, and footer for closing content. Each of these replaces divs with meaningful tags that describe what the content actually is. Finally, developer experience. Compare a page full of divs versus one with semantic elements. With divs, you need class names or comments to understand structure. Semantic HTML is self-documenting. A new developer can scan your markup and immediately grasp the layout. It's faster to maintain, easier to debug, and reduces cognitive load. Bottom line, semantic HTML makes your site accessible, SEO-friendly, and easier to maintain. Start replacing those divs today. Your users, Google, and your future self will thank you. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.